Real truth just dey for wetin dis man talk. Dem say if man no dey follow person, you no go ever know how im colour of im boxers be. If you no dey follow woman, you no go know whether e toto dey smell or e no dey smell. Hello my amazing people, welcome back to Africa Blog. If today na your first time wey dey dey post for YouTube, come jam dis my YouTube channel. Abeg subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you go dey notified. And to my old subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Okay, my amazing people, today on I message to Papa Wala especially. Yes, person come out for Facebook, come message to Papa Wala say, Monica go dey curse your wife. Which right she get wey she go take dey curse your wife? Wey be say, if e be say truly you no dey follow her, which right she get? You no get her friendship go reach wey be say married man you go dey curse im wife, dey curse im wife anyhow. Okay, shey come out now dey curse Papa Wala children, dey curse Papa Wala wife. Dat one we go fit accept am small based on say e don born for there, na pepper body, based on say she dey think say na because of dat woman and the children na make Papa Wala no dey respond to im duty as a dad to her daughter. You understand? Na how her woman matter be now. You understand dat one? But as for Monica, we never hear the audio wey be say Mama Wala take talk say you are guilty, because we see the video wey you take talk say Mama Wala say I'm guilty. Guilty of what? Abi my people, I no see the video. If you never see the video, e dey my channel now. Wetin you dey wait for? E dey there. But me, I don waka around, use flight, use train. I never see the Mama Wala own. So那person come fall out now, come dey ask Papa Wala say which right Monica get wey Monica go take dey do dat kind thing. And this boy called Rishi go dey support Papa Wala, dey cover her for am. Fine, yes, I understand why he dey cover her for am, because maybe na there be source, maybe na there for the see for the flex, maybe na there for the same money wey dey do one or two things for a family. True, you understand? Because they say boss when dey try, na boys dey lawyer for. So if boss dey try, boys always a lawyer for them. So Don Rishi know say Monica and Papa Wala, they dey into something. That one na fact. He know, because if una watch the video when Monica for come dey talk to Don Rishi, if you still put her for speaker 1 minute, e go still comot am. If you still put her for speaker 2 seconds, e go still comot am. E no be like normal call. If you dey on a normal call, you go put am for speaker the way she take dey do am before, the way other live presenters take dey do am. This one, you say you are talking to somebody that knows the secret wella, but you dey put am for speaker, dey comot am, put am for speaker, dey comot am. That simply means something dey there. My people now understand my point. So something dey there. So this man don tell Papa Wala say, fine, the world now don know say you dey follow Monica. My people, if una never see where Lolo for play the record where Papa Wala for talk and say Monica no go fit swear say he no follow am, he sef no go fit swear, but the matter have to let go. Yes, e dey the record. I lis ten to am yesterday full and clear. If you even still go aproko, you will see am. But if you want to see the full update, just go to the Golden Fish YouTube channel. You will see the full record for there wey she take play am. Papa Wala come out now, come dey swear already. You no know they watch that platform that day. If which they watch am, anything they watch am, you no know. And Monica, you were not straightforward. I'm sorry if Monica fans is listening to this record. I'm not in part of PDP or neither APC. I'm just doing my job. You were not straightforward. You have to come out and say that I do it though, I did not do it though. That is the question. Because for my comment section, now that one that they comment, Monica answer us, you do or you not do. Yes, no, fine now. Okay, now Papa Wala don come out now, come define you 3 days ago. Everybody they congratulate you. Everybody they say now Lolo be the bad person. Since yesterday now we can't hear record. Lolo no use him man talk. Lolo play the record. So the whole thing is so confusing. The whole thing just get hard. The matter take day. As my people for my comment section they ask say, Africa Blog, the matter they confusing. And so is it confusing to me when they bring out the come from now, because me don't know where the matter they go. But nevertheless, we go see the ending of this matter. We just enter new month. Maybe before this month end, we go see the end of this matter. So my people, no need to talk too much. I will put the record to Monica and Papa Uwaila. Especially this record is for Papa Uwaila. I will put the record for Nana, make una listen to her. Make una not forget to share this video. Make una not forget to comment. Make una not forget to like this video. I beg Monica fans, if you dey here, I talk the way you not like. I'm sorry, okay? If you're home, just stick on, just to give her bumper to bumper. I'm just doing my job. I not there for the two side. I not get to the part when I there for inside. I only there for una will be my family for here. So my people, now comment, una like, una share it. Then it motivates me to bring more to your doorstep. I remain your Oboge Africa blog. I beg, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because more update is coming. Stay blessed and enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Eruwala wewe eruweri Monica wobo emenika amwe bogbo wokuwe oga robi wokuwe we na robiye oni owoku wo weri respect now they to marry kiaka oye how can Monica be insulting your wife, your own wife no rie your wife oh we la do we gbe do ladian we get donation no marry bie no marry no monjie all the deba we cover we na that is a name with a story in ladian bros or ladian because he have advice he will video no whether you people to stop this on my eswe e frank okpa even me gani de by vie de by ye boy or even me gani again no he has in that time whether you people should stop go and watch my video. Go to my platform, this platform, so Google a video ni we see una. In our advice here, our set who were beg. Now, even here, but we go lie, maintain the rule of our Edo brothers. Nave of a Biamu way. In the name of say Abiema, or Adekayo Hoy, or Mondola Ladia. We go invest, we go invest there, we go invest there. Where my brother? Ununame ayagoma. Understand? Ununame ayagoma. Just like that. Instead of if you to call Monica, let's think about how we go settle this thing. Now, my sister Kalekua ona de no kalo a video no mania. Audio do we want me Monica me no we ye ya record mo the mofi mo now audio we run the mofi ave pe no ya record thank God in na we e no fe no we ta lolo or record ya and the mofi on my trust ye eru walagbe on my record but lolo keep everything. Instead of you to, for you people to be working hand to make sure say quit this fire. Ne when I don't like what be. Now I do well okay yes a boy a John gele lare or eru wala gele yamo money. Wa will be ye yo. Wa ye yo kalek wa kaloi. Nagbo mama. Emmanuel we no kalo nya mo wa. No mo wa. No mo wa. Gwevo. Umodo omwegue uwe ye na wono mabie kanekwa unyire no mama no guela na do mewe eduga aje menu je na eduje ewebo. Yes, because why? You are right, Queen. If Papa Wala say yes, I sleep with Monica. You know that they don't say I don't go bump. Social media go bump. Now he say in your family, according to his wife, he go bump. No, his family they go bump. Everywhere go bump. Everyone work with Bewa. Because why? I wanna born that time I were high Monica for many years. Okay, now I'm a but matter must to ye ladian. Matter ladian. Or I will be I had 2 years to 3 years in your hand. We sit there. And 7 years old, it went in Bawata. Matter ladian. You wala must come and say something there. That is a Minobuga is a sunu the air where yes, or Daphne or Bero in there. He go come and defend herself. Can you imagine? Uya yo mazije or ya zera a social media a godfather. Now avoka who who's can rubbish? You will I say rubbish, you will not block me or do that. If you really were umari kiake umari uenima ekianima lawo, can you say that? My baby a shine tiny. You will one must yes, because why ekia or lao honor the producer ladian. A producer na ladian. All ladian as or more. Now she have right to say anything concerning Mama Wala. Because why? If where she can call herself second wife, because why? We still they call Agatha as the second wife of Abraham. Agomari or Biene Abi Ishmael. You understand? Ishmael Abi or Agatha no. But about here, Okono Biene or whatever. Or yeah, or Maria, but or Biene. You understand? So, she have a 80% to 75% to 80% to call that man say me yes, you wala no ya go unless we are whenever you go you wala go maybe we a G boy we want we pledge and we wala da okwo no whatever okekegare ado wo obi ojojo ni Jessica wo obi okpe ayewa Jessica wa gbegbo Monica wa gbegbo aga mi wo money na gelara wo eri wala bie na wo do bi okpe ayewa no ya liwo wani uwi agbegbo wa eri wala o we gbegbe wa because why who wa betray you wala so boy, you have a call. My brother, a million on the platform FAI and a platform Monica and a platform a Lolo and a Dimofi. Hey, I judge you one. But me myself on the 6th, if we are drop a video on a banner, I will invite Papa Wala. Yeah, go the phone number there and organ neglect where yes, who be that man, bros, all phone and social media. When I know when obey Dikinuma, no you get that is my uncle. Yata man we yes, bros, iga so your wa. The way we know yagbe no only yagbe share kweku. We go tell us yes. My brother wa amego. Egani makara do tama wewe wa amego ego woman. Wa ame talks a talks woman. Wa ame anything we all woman, my brother. We are not taking care of anybody. So we have right to tell you where Eminuna Emma. We said it. We said it. Unless if I call you on my platform, you have to there's a assemble yourself and come out. You need interview from Voice of Justice platform, Comrade John and Nigeria Bisugbe. You have to come. You have to come. In over time, yes, you have any platform that I invite you in, but I don't care. I invite you in the name of Shine and the Bamono BNE. I want to really know what is going on. Already, madam, we had the muffin or a bright affair, kokobiri, whatever. I can never believe that. I believe a little, and I take a little sense, and I jot a little question that I will give you. Near my no wherever, never you know who am I no way. I will ask you, and what are the answer you? Because why? If you have more than 80 to 150 questions to ask you, but it always depends on a follower of Eriwala and a follower of Monica that be calling and be judging. Wrong judge. In the name of saying they want to bring a deed down. But this is not a deed fight alone. We need the truth. We need justice for our sisters. And I use this video to beg all presenters who know say they want to talk about how this problem will solve on social media. Uga de bayo boka, bros. What believe we if no sumu diamond, if we no we atiti, no do deri agboa, no do degberato. Even emiame de kuyane ya toge. Abenya we atitio. Now they will fall down. Edukahi, umia bebo yagba bebo with social media now. You will no there. Oga the social media na gbon man. When ogu we wa mudia yo lo geni. Uka de na boboa. agbawo egbe ma we okhonu ti egbo obo okhonu ti egbo pastor okhonu ti egbo prophet okhonu anything u ti egbo okhonu mu swaga name in egbo with us you don't stand for justice for this social media uwa ya ta u ka khebe u ga so be social media nobody will listen to you again believe me okay bros if you know say man yes you read the inside game of say man make I chop side chick una ere igbani and osu eho my brother if na only once you go only once in my brother may the love not contact you supposed to end before every walake do atawe ima no dey no bane oti me swidi and the time na we ekpane ko na we go beg wa me message no oti we swidi oti we wona ogbe message go you are still responding if really when they be say relationship in the cutting all in that better another word ni do hon ya root that way we can you we ya brabe who are more the UK that is how you people kill our Nigeria celebrity who try to bring our culture grow up. Eruwa ya gbeleya. Where he read the celebrity of Nigeria. Edo State. Omwe akpedohian. Omwe ya fefefe ikware ikwima mase asologu ve ya fefefe. Nedo ya wuye ya temiamiane. Omwe ya hian. Now you want to take her from that. Even no une doni. No ya move England. So that from now all like social media. That is your thinking. If really you really love her, what's the woman will make her day okay there? Bros, aye, dumezedo, aye, awa. My brother, manedo, my mama bogbe, a cottage belay no boom for my brother, a kidnapper belay no boom for my brother. Ambrobak bele no buffo my brother. Bros, as we they see you so as Dumezedo Eru Wala one of Astada. As a do son, bros, we they proud of you. Nwe you oge, ya benwu, or nwe you oge, do ya ataweo, or so, I don't want it. That is why we will need justice. Ah, why ko agbele bros? For 1 month na me warowa, I know they go work. I'm on the 31st of May. Of March, 31st of March, ella holiday now. Till ending of April at the house. And I will hold my 3 platform. Yeah, 100 year. And when the platform now we can't bug him about don't block by yesi. I believe I will have a viewer in Angualone, but I don't need viewer. I don't need viewer. Yes, those 3 men that come on this morning and say the truth. I believe they know the truth. Nothing but the truth. Because why? They are mama la or mama erenia. Am I there bionia? I forsake yes. Shine. What way? Who won't wear muja dog botoa? Tiso kwena we yeri we yagwalo dey we. Ama we oviere mi o dey ne. Just we okay mi o dey ni. Omo lairi ne. Now that person have to take care of that touch. No lairi ni. And I have a go my brother. And anybody, any man or woman, no try. The angel say courtist, you oppress the both side. The angel say higher killer, you oppress the both side. The angel say assassin, you oppress the both side. So me. Say your football. All your time in the time for now. He will sleep, he will never wake up. Anybody no matter that make justice here now. No one ye kweku ya gbemena. No one ye siema ye kenuta wejes ye mego or ye weyoma or ye cut ye ki or ye gwebebe uwena em your time na uwenu ya tirwe uga you wesefa. Ebe waki ebe bi akporo di no de. Kuweke gbewe kiweke ohonu gbinana nuwonu tama ewo we uma onu uge nuriye bae kuweke monu gbinana nuwonu tama we uma onu be polygamous o eruna fie kai woni ne uga you wesefa. Who are you when sefa? Believe me. Ona ayi kparabu. No ya fie kia you uwe na makeke no fui. Ona ayi ya banya. Oye ya banya. Amawa gbe side chick. But the time so if no reach side chick yare, get ready. Nu ya mwe. Get ready nu ya mwe. Amawa gbe side chick. Atu ewe gbe side chick. Exactly every now and soon my brother be claimer Ruda we okpea nori ojawoge neta sowa oni okpea enu we ojawoge ne we do agwale man o do defend we udo mu gemonika udo mu give no matter defend we udo mu gemonika na we no we are die ni ere udo mu ge efei na wa he we yes ye meti eteme gbiye fo eri o se to ge efe ta e baye yala la gi ba ona le la wa ye egbe unu efe ya o ge se no tala na e baye la gera na wo no ojo wa ye egbe efe yi wa ye we egbe ho because o to ge ri agbo ne o de ba o gbo kan agi tala na le be o le la ge efe la ya hi mi akia ona ya hi me le ra mi ri kia ona ya hi me le ra mi ri now ezo no kwa we were gbe sumu ne we na we o sore bo o sore he o sore different is omolere efei uwonu be mu dia no we de ba o gboka u jere mi no kasum dawe o ka we gbe de gbo we na fei. You understand? I know say you are a media presenter. They can bring case to your media the way anybody can call it, but no where do I where you want to make sure say you block even the man where matter. Bros, ugavie yore efei, ugavie efei, uyere. Obasa kino vie nese na bisu bogi ungwe. Ugavie efei, uyere. Believe me. Believe me. Because why? Itamu wa bo emi na kesuwe, uwaye obi okara obi amimi na no ma emi bewebo, no raduro, no ma ni ma teme na gbo ya ke wa duro no je. Uwaye asun ekina, uwaye asun ozen no so na itamu wa mo I tell you people. Whatever you know, we believe we pakawa atita or a patient wa mu body nada wa defense and social media there. Bros, saga code botama we why are nigga fey no there? Because why? Everyone was there. That is why the crowd was there. Fey all we rock we back way. The crowd will come out. Okay? Believe me. Because why? Since we are a saga am viewer, let's go into saga. What TV? What you? Social media. Now for this 2021, we will more solidly see the truth. Because why? Different people. Different people do ya severio. Not am available now we're gone. We're not very game more who we. We're not very am in the mofi vinya. Inationa. The why we were. Why we were. Uma. Uweti kabahio. Uwe ani no me viewer 10 no do agu ego. You need viewer. Igba tilapia igba oro osu ehona wani wa mweke sinare all of na go collect agani agayagu wagun aga settle emi and maybe honor ti do settle because I know say me nothing goes on must surely come down. Anything that goes on must surely come down one day. Peace must come. And the peace ni, the truth, the truth. Oh, yeah, peace in our social media now. Even Eman because why? Wamuela than Eman Osununa, where we the good presenter no why matter we can never rest. Otimame truth to nene. Believe me. Believe me. So my people, Mona tell Papa Uwala, I need to interview him in my platform, Voice of Justice platform, Comrade John Nezena Ibisugbe platform, John Ibisugbe platform. This one when I take the look now so, when I take the look me so, I go come here, I go to Model Bus, I go to Comrade John Nezena Ibisugbe and Voice of Justice platform, a platform beha, that three platform name. Oka mudia tamagbon. Umani ave e shara amen. No do show money. We don't want to forget it. We are from Orion. Anywhere, no one else see area. Here we Bob. Many that chop rich, I believe we have my brother. Edoma wahi. My enemy my yaka kadek bima. Believe me, as a dose, my wife in my yaka kadek bima. The truth must surely be remained. Naomi Uronigbe man. No, I'm from Orion. I'm from Avigo. Make it go in a small village, but make it go ask the people where they're there. And people where they're there, get people where they may go ask of my family. The Bisugbe family. Bros, my wife in a tamata. Okay. Don't go Osio Dikinu, you know, we don't know it. If you can't me you boy, you will tell the truth. I go put something for your hand. Okay, or too much be my brother. If you have a big wakeyo, if you are, if we just hold off one my brother, what up where you wake up? Umana tell me the media can we just hold off on it. It will remain there. Oh, big wakeyo, you have you with there's a pay do you, brush. Umana tell what ane, oh, you just hold off on it to the believe me. Oh, na ya level ya lao. Do mu mona ta wata de tu ka deke wa level. I tell you now. Bros, to this moment, and I don't want to bring any number out. But in the evening, you go see number. But if you really say me, yes, you really need justice for our people when they continue oppressing the name of say, I be big man. My brother, Mona call those guys come later. Or Mona look for Papa Uwala number consent give me. I need to talk about this issue. Yes, he there. Yeah, you too know my old man. You too know my family. You understand? You know that. Bros, and I had Tani at social media name. Monica, if you are a dearly Tani, a dearly a coho yari your boy. A coho your boy Mofi boy at the slave. O fi boni o ki sagi your wegbe. We no mana temata. O mana go e ko egu. O ko no fi egboto. Egu wo boy. O fi boni ya ala wegbe ne. O ke temata. Okay. O mana temata o fi boni la wegbe. O ti si pe bi yan. O guri ya. Eku eri odun owu e. Yes, my brother, more could not go far. But this woman, all what I know, this woman needs justice. If you're the year, if you are there, please, that woman, Okwoni wano, the bomb where or daughter or those same radio, you have to take care of that Omona Bieni. Believe me, you have to do something. You are very Ukpokporo yagbi yale, adejo yagbi yawo, and Monica, 99% to 100%, 93 years, or they don't have a family name, any year die, if you are also know a family name. Monica is coming. He can't hide it. She can't hide it. Because why? There's many Pakpawanga inside the cupboards. There is many Pakpawanga inside the cupboard that we know say Monica know concerning Mama Wala and Papa Wala. But the Papa Wangalo Roni, oh Mokbia, no do beer you work Benny. We know that. But when time come, Monica, you will use your mouth to vomit. Believe me. Yes, now you said the woman support no my old man, not bros. Away Arasia dene Aden do Asion. Then I know what you said. Arasia dene Aden do Asion. Understand? Here we are here. Made the bad ticket for me. And can you have here? Okay. Ma vioma ya moka vegane de. Omami we we gbawa seni eri yen mu le randa yi. Ya you big bay agbesa moka. Ne